Bank of America, Chase, and other huge banks have stopped foreclosures due to potential problems with paperwork. Now, a South Florida law firm says it has hundreds of cases right here in Palm Beach County that prove some of those banks may have been committing a crime. News Channel 5's Mike Trim brings us this story you will see only on 5.
And this law firm calls them Robo-signers, people who rushed faulty foreclosure paperwork through the court system. Now Florida's Attorney General is asking for a sit-down with several big-name bank presidents for an explanation. Within this tower of foreclosure depositions, the Ticktin Law Group says it's found the groundwork of an illegal home foreclosure system.
It's massive, it's criminal, it's wrong, and it's proven with what lawyers tend to call a mountain of evidence.
That evidence, according to Peter Ticktin, includes incorrect foreclosure paperwork pushed through by all types of banks. Ticktin says banks hired unqualified workers to complete crucial foreclosure affidavits, the official document used for a foreclosure hearing. In many cases, Ticktin says banks purposely put wrong income information on those affidavits to rush foreclosures through. This law group says by the time a homeowner got to the courtroom, they didn't stand a chance.
That the courts gave little credence to our position, and that we've made that repeated argument over and over again. Now the judges are starting to realize that it can be as big as this problem is.
And the problem is big, spanning from banks like Bank of America and JP Morgan Chase on down to Park National and Bayview Bank. On Tuesday, State Attorney General Bill McCollum sent letters to 5 big banks asking for a meeting and explanation. Out of the thousands of foreclosure lawsuits this law firm is handling, I'm told at least 500 originate right here in Palm Beach County. Now this law group is asking the state to look into its findings. Attorney General Bill McCollum says his office is joining other states in looking into the issue.
And we want these foreclosures to get these homes that are bad in terms of debt off the market. We need them to get off the market so that prices will bottom out on the general home market and you begin to see those prices go back up again.
And this law group says banks could be found guilty of perjury if this is investigated properly. Now, the lawyers at Ticktin admits bringing finalized foreclosures back in front of a judge could slow down the court system, but they say it could be a key part in restoring order in the state and nationwide housing market. We're live in the newsroom tonight. Mike Trim, WPTV News Channel 5.